calling it. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, before I come to Sambit Patra, to you. The opposition parties are already now asking, why did the government lie in this case? Manish Tiwari, your former spokesperson, is saying, Defense Minister, what is a bigger sin, blowing the Pakistani boat or lying to the nation? If they were indeed terrorists, why be ashamed of blowing them? What is the Congress party here trying to say? Is the Congress party trying to say that the BJP is lying to the nation? The Defense Minister has lied to the nation when he said that the individuals in that boat took cyanide and committed suicide?
Rajdeep, this is hardly an issue on which politics should be played or allowed to be played. The Congress party is a responsible party, and on issues of national security involving Pakistan, we have given unstinted support always.
But this is what Manish Tiwari has said.
Can I complete?
Hold on, I will let you complete. I'm only quoting what Manish Tiwari has said.
But Rajdeep, I've only started the answer. You have to give me a minute at least.
Please go ahead.
You've been speaking. I want to formulate. The stand of the Congress party on national security matters is always very, very responsible. But if the government is bent upon showing itself in utter disarray and doing hit wicket after hit wicket, what is to be done? It's a very serious matter. Just step back for a minute, Rajdeep. First, when this incident happens, the boat is supposed to have blown itself up. The Defense Minister says specifically on camera, we did not do it. Somebody else says the opposite. That somebody else then gives a retraction which makes the original look more truthful. The retraction is most embarrassing. You see it on television. Thereafter, the Home Minister, the Defense Minister that time, few months ago and today repeats that we'll share everything, we'll do this, we'll show that. Nothing has happened. Now, the point is there are several disturbing questions. This is not the way national security or armed operations are carried on. You use disproportionate force in this country frequently, illegally. Certainly, a disproportionate force, if it is used in the theatre of war or external enemy, is permissible. You should come clean with the nation. What is the problem if he has used disproportionate force? But this can't be that on 31st December we are told, not a single live witness, nobody knows the truth. The Defense Minister then and now in 2 months has not shared any evidence. If he shares it, he is in a sense embarrassing national security. If he doesn't share it, he creates a serious doubt. We do not know whether there was a self-blowing or an attack by the Indian Navy. We don't know the identity of the miscreants. Now, this is a ridiculous situation. The government has only itself to blame. So, howsoever responsible we may try to be, the point of the matter is that, you know, Pakistan is a puny nation compared to our economic and defense might. We can't look silly in the world in front of Pakistan with this kind of thing.
I think now you're going into the larger issue, which I will come to, because the fact is, Sambit Patra, that what has happened, I know Raja Menon says don't use the word embarrassment, but I will use the word because already the reports coming in from Pakistan are questioning India, saying India is a violent country that uses disproportionate force. And over the last month, we've had different versions from different Coast Guard officials, from the Defense Minister, who even